All right, let's talk about a powerful TradingView indicator called SmartBreakoutPro. You know that feeling, right? You jump into what looks like a perfect breakout only to watch it just fizzle out and reverse on you. Well, this tool is designed to tackle that exact problem, helping you spot those high-quality moves before they actually happen. So here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with the trader's dilemma, that core problem we all face. Then we'll dive into the automated solution and take a look under the hood at its features. After that, we'll learn how to read the dashboard, figure out if this is the right tool for you, and finally, we'll wrap up with how you can get access. Okay, let's start with a problem that I'm pretty sure everyone listening has experienced. It's the whole challenge of trading breakouts, and that nagging question, why do so many of them seem to fail the second you get in? I mean, it's that classic feeling, isn't it? You see this huge explosive move on the chart, but by the time you've noticed it, confirmed it, and are ready to jump in, the train has already left the station. You're constantly playing catch-up, which is never a winning strategy. And you know, when you really think about it, that frustration boils down to a few key things. We struggle to spot those tight consolidation zones quickly. Our timing is just slightly off. We get in too early or way too late. We don't really have an objective way to tell a good breakout from a bad one. And let's be honest, we waste so much time just manually drawing and redrawing lines on our charts. So if that's the mess we're in, what's the fix? Well, this is where automation can give you a really serious edge. Let's introduce the tool we're talking about today, SmartBreakoutPro. In a nutshell, this is what it does. It's designed to take all that manual work and guesswork completely out of the picture. And the two most important words there are automatically detects and high probability. The whole point isn't just to find any breakout, it's to find the right ones. And this line just says it all, doesn't it? It's the whole philosophy behind the tool. Chasing moves is reactive, and that's what gets us into trouble. Catching them is proactive. It means you've already identified the setup, you're watching it develop, and you're just waiting for that perfect moment to act. So how does it actually do all of this? Let's pop the hood and take a look at the core features that really make this thing tick. Okay, first step, and this is really the foundation of the whole system, is the Smart Zone Detection. This is the feature that saves you from having to stare at your charts all day, manually drawing boxes and trying to spot consolidation. So the way it works is by using pivot analysis to automatically find those areas where the price is just coiling up. Then it draws a ceiling, which is your resistance, and a floor, your support. What's also super helpful is that it keeps historical zones on the chart, so you get this really rich market context without having to do a thing. But it's not just about those horizontal boxes. The indicator also automatically plots trend lines for you, which, adds another critical layer of analysis to your charts. This gives you that extra bit of confluence. It connects the key swing highs and lows, drawing those diagonal support and resistance levels for you. And this is a great touch. It actually projects those lines 50 bars into the future, so you get a heads up on potential friction points down the road. Now this is a real game changer. We all know that a breakout without volume is usually a fake out, right? While this indicator has a built-in scoring system that actually measures the strength behind every single move. It uses this simple 5-tier rating system. It looks at the volume coming in and scores the breakout from weak all the way up to explosive. This is huge because it lets you instantly filter out those weak, unconvincing moves and focus only on the setups that have some real money and conviction behind them. So you've got all these amazing features working in the background. But where does it all come together? It all feeds into this one simple, easy-to-read dashboard. This is basically your command center, giving you the full picture in just a single glance. Let's just quickly run through it. You get the higher time frame trend, a check if a zone is active, trend strength with ADX, and if volatility is expanding with ATR. It even tells you exactly how far away you are from the breakout level, and of course, it shows you that crucial volume score. And really, this is the most important part. All of that complex data gets boiled down into one simple word, the status. It literally tells you to wait if the conditions aren't right, near if a setup is getting close, or ready when everything aligns for a high probability trade. I mean, it really doesn't get much clearer than that. Okay, so with all that said, who is this tool actually for? You might be wondering if it fits your specific style of trading. Let's break down the ideal trader profile. Well, obviously, it's perfect for breakout traders who want to automate that zone detection. It's also fantastic for swing traders who are looking for really precise, high-probability entries, And for day traders, it gives you that quick visual confirmation you need without cluttering up your charts. Honestly, it's for any trader who is just sick and tired of manually drawing lines all day. So if you're listening to this and thinking, yeah, that sounds like it could really help my trading, getting access is super simple. Here's how it works. The whole process is really straightforward. You just purchase it, send your TradingView username over to the support email, and then you'll get invite-only access, usually within 24 hours. From there, you just open TradingView, go to your indicators, click on the invite-only scripts tab, and boom, it's right there, ready to add to your chart. And that brings us right back to where we started with this core idea. The goal is to make that shift, to stop being a reactive trader and become a proactive one. It's about having a system that does the heavy lifting for you so you can focus your energy on executing only the absolute best setups.